This is just a little samba with all the typical drama. Feel the rhythm of the conga. This is just a little samba.
Yo man, I'm living grandiose, pumping on an ambassador, paid in full, kill the bull like a matador, flash the cat, make my album cover shiny, my head spinning like a discus, and if this is
just a little samba,
then I'm straight with the 7-course meal on my plate. I put my leftovers in the doggy bag. I got moves like Mr. Miyagi had with the wax off, wax on. I play you like Zach's song. Girls love my song, sunbathing on the back lawn. You are marvelous. Come on, young lady, get in the car with us. Superstar deluxe. I'm always animated cause my game's so tight that I keep it laminated.
Well, if that's true, why you living with your mama?
Shh, it's just a little samba.
This is just a little samba with all the typical drama. Feel the rhythm of the conga. This is just a little samba.
I make all the money.
No, you don't.
I get all the girls.
No, you don't.
I put it down on fools.
No, you don't.
Huh?
No, you don't.
Man,
No, you don't.
You might spot me in Versace suits when I'm at award shows, paparazzi shoot. I own a fly home, 4-car garage with rides for me and my entourage. Hold up, I got an email. It's a female. Girls pressing on me like a lean nail. I make the hits that you hear on the jukebox. Chicks come hotter than Arizona rooftops. I got this one, she's a playmate. When I met her, she was looking at my gold Dizzy nameplate. But I had to vacate. I said I'm gonna miss our date cause my plane's late.
Plane?
Yeah, I own a plane and I also body yachts. So I scuba in Bermuda when the weather gets hot. And I travel a lot.
Then why you living with your mama?
Man, it's just a little samba.
This is just a little samba with all the typical drama. Feel the rhythm of the conga. This is just a little samba.
I make all the money.
No, you don't.
I get all the girls.
No, you don't.
I got my own sitcom.
No, you don't.
Huh?
No, you don't.
What?
No, you don't.
I star in the movies.
No, you don't.
I run my own label.
No, you don't.
Man, I only pay models.
No, you don't.
Huh?
No, you don't.
Hey?
No, you don't.
Man, I got more property than Monopoly.
No, you don't.
Man, I drive a flying car.
No, you don't.
Man, I got 2 pet sharks.
Your mom left you at Sharks now.
Man, yeah, what?
Come on, man. This song's over, man. Come on, you're not too funny.